What's up, everyone? Got another quick video for you guys. Today I'm going to be taking a real quick look at the Ugreen 3-port 130 watt 12 volt charger. So basically what this is it's a 12 volt charging plug effectively that goes into your cars or vehicles 12 volt socket and allows you to charge your devices, whether it be a phone, laptop, or tablet. And it is by the company called Ugreen. I've never really heard them, but apparently they are fairly decent in terms of making devices like this. This is the back. Here is the specifications if you want to pause and take a look at that. So here we go. There's the device. So what you get in here actually is two things. So you get the actual little charger itself right here, fairly small. Does look like it has some venting on the back for thermals, which is great. And then on the side here, we do actually have an included USB-C to USB-C cable, which is always nice to have. You can't really never have enough of these. Something always needs a USB-C cable at this point. So yeah, it's great it comes included with one of those. But back to the charger. So this actually retails for about $27 on Amazon. And so I'm actually possibly going to get a second one of these because I have two different use cases for this. First one primarily is to use with my EcoFlow power station to plug this into the 12 volt socket on that particular device to give me more USB-C charging ports, because the one that I have is the EcoFlow River Pro 2. It only has one single USB-C port. So by doing this, I can have a total of 3 USB-C ports on that power station, and then it also has a USB type A port as well. So that's quite good as well. And then this bottom USB-C port here is capable of doing upwards of 100 watts of output, which is great. That allows you to charge a laptop fairly quickly as well. So the second use case that I was going to have this for is basically for Starlink, or primarily the Starlink Mini dish to use in my vehicle. So I was going to use this to plug into, of course, my vehicle's 12 volt socket, and then use a USB-C cable to power and plug into the Starlink Mini dish and be able to power that while I'm driving or somewhere out of cell service range. So that is the primary use case for this device. Like I said, I'm going to have to get a second one to have in my vehicle, and then this one will be staying with the power station. Anyway, I will provide a link down in the description for those that want to check this device out. And yeah, so that's basically it for this video. Hit that thumbs up button, greatly appreciated. Hit that subscribe button as well. It helps out the channel greatly. And yep, I will see you guys in the next one.